Hello, and welcome to Northern New York Reiki Association. I'm really glad you're here today. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're already familiar with Reiki. Or maybe you're curious about it, but you still feel like something is missing. I want to start with a quick story because this is something I see all the time. I once worked with someone who said to me, I do Reiki, I meditate, I try to relax, but my body still feels guarded. And honestly, she wasn't doing anything wrong. What her nervous system needed wasn't more effort, it needed support. When we gently invited in Archangel energy, nothing dramatic, nothing forceful, her body softened almost immediately. Her breathing slowed, her shoulders dropped, and she said, I finally feel held. And that's really what today is about. Not fixing yourself, not forcing healing, but allowing yourself to be supported while Reiki does what it already does so beautifully. What we're doing today. Before we begin, I want to say this clearly. Reiki does not require archangels to work. Reiki already works, but many people find that inviting archangel energy creates a deeper sense of protection, emotional safety, clarity, and peace. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple Reiki session while working with 4 archangels: Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and Uriel. You don't need special beliefs. You don't need to visualize perfectly. Just stay open and relaxed, settling, and go ahead and get comfortable. Sitting or lying down, let your hands rest wherever they feel natural. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long breath out through your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Now, either silently or out loud say, I invite Reiki to flow for my highest good. Only love, safety, and healing are welcome here. Calling in the archangels and creating a circle. Now imagine yourself gently surrounded by light. We're going to invite the archangels one at a time. To the east, the direction of new beginnings. Archangel Raphael. Raphael, thank you for being here. Please bring healing to the body, heart, and nervous system. To the south, the direction of strength. Archangel Michael. Michael, thank you for your protection. Please help this space feel safe, grounded, and clear. To the west, the direction of emotions. Archangel Gabriel. Gabriel, thank you for your comfort. Please support emotional release and gentle understanding. To the north, the direction of wisdom. Archangel Uriel. Uriel, thank you for your clarity and guidance. Please bring calm insight and grounded awareness. Take a moment and just notice how your body feels. Protection and clearing, Archangel Michael. Now imagine a soft blue light around your body. Say quietly or silently, Archangel Michael, please release any energies or attachments that are not mine or no longer needed. You don't need to do anything. Just breathe and allow. Hands-on Reiki with Archangel support. Now place your hands gently on your body. First, bring your hands to the top of your head. Invite Uriel. Uriel, please bring clarity and calm to my thoughts. Let Reiki flow. Now move your hands to your heart. Invite Raphael. Raphael, please bring healing, comfort, and balance. Notice warmth, or softness, or simply breath. Now bring your hands to your solar plexus, just below the rib cage. Invite Michael. Michael, please restore my strength, boundaries, and sense of safety. Let the body soften. Now bring your hands to your lower abdomen. Invite Gabriel. Gabriel, please bring emotional peace and reassurance. Stay here for a few breaths. Archangel breath. Now we'll take 4 slow breaths together. Inhale healing. Exhale tension. Inhale protection. Exhale fear. Inhale comfort. Exhale emotional heaviness. Inhale clarity. Exhale confusion. Closing the session, place one hand on your heart. Say, thank you Reiki for flowing exactly as needed. Thank you Archangels Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and Uriel for your loving support. This session is now complete and sealed in peace. Take one final deep breath. Gentle return. Begin to notice the room around you. Wiggle your fingers or toes if you'd like. After this session, drink some water. Rest if your body asks for it. And if you'd like support learning Reiki or deepening your healing practice in a grounded, safe way, you're welcome to contact Dr. Guadalupe Vanderhorst Rodriguez at DrGuadalupeVandrodriguez at gmail.com. Thank you for sharing this healing space with me today.